the acting Secretary General of the Communist Party nang mahuli siya sa Novaliches. Proud na proud sila that they were able to recruit in 3 years ng 8,000 kabataan muli in the underground movement at ang mostly senior high school. From PUP, UST, FEU. Ito yung umiyak dito sa Senado. They were not crying ladies for nothing. They were grieving mothers like our mothers na umiiyak nang kami naglayas at nag-full-time sa NPA during our time. Nangyayari po ito ngayon, dokumento ito ng CPP-NPA in the last 3 years, 2016, 17, and 18 hanggang 19. More than 8,000 na kabataan, senators, Mr. Chair and Senate President, ang na-recruit nila from the document mismo ni Vic Ladlad. Nakuha ito at ang karamihan senior high school, which means 16 and 17 years old. And I share the concern of the Senate President right now.
Yes, it is really alarming.